Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. My name is Vishal and in today's video I will show you 3 easiest way to convert any PDF document to Excel. So let's get started with the video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel. Now let's move to our first solution. For the first solution, I will use the AI importer. To use a AI importer, what we need to do is we have to simply click on File and then click on Import from PDF. Then we have to upload our PDF file here. To upload a PDF file, what we need to do is we have to simply click to upload, and then we have to select our PDF file and then click on open. The moment I click on open, you will see this particular window will come. Now here we have a two solution. Either you can extract data from complete PDF or you can extract only the portion of data from your PDF file. So let's say I want to extract only this table from the PDF. So what I need to do is I have to simply adjust these corner and then click on extract data. The moment I click on extract data, you will see your data has been extracted into the tabular form. Now we have to simply click on insert at active cell and you can see your data has been extracted from PDF. So now let's move to the second solution. Let's say I have a PDF file like this and I want to extract complete data from this PDF file. So for that, what I need to do is I have to use here the function called import PDF, and then here first argument is to select our Gmail ID. First we have to select our Gmail ID, then press comma. Now we have to upload our PDF file here. For that we have to simply click on select a file, and then we have to select again our main PDF file and then click on select, and then we have to press again comma. Now we have to select here the final argument, which is output cell. Now for that I will select the cell D3 and then press the enter button. Now here you have to click on these three dots and then click on run action. The moment I click on run action, you will see our complete data has been extracted from the PDF. So let's move to our third solution. So now let's use another example where I have data in the tabular form like this and I want to extract this complete data. For that, what I need to do is again I will use here the function called extract table from PDF. Again select the email ID, then press comma. Now we have to upload our file. For that, now this time I will select this particular PDF file, which is sales dashboard data, then click on select, then press comma. Again select the cell as D3, then press the enter button. Now we have to click on three dot, click on run action. So now you can see we have successfully extracted the data from PDF. So let's say I want to export this data to Excel. Now I have a two option. Either I can export data from this particular tab or I can export complete file. So let's say I want to export data only from this particular tab. For that, what I need to do is I have to click on these three dots and then click on export worksheet to Excel. Now let's say I want to export this complete sheet. For that, what I have to do is I have to simply click on file and then click on export to Excel file. So you might be wondering that how I'm using all these functions. For that, I am using a Lido app. If you want to use Lido app, I have mentioned the link in the video description. You can simply click on that and sign up, and then you can use the Lido app for your work. So this is how you can convert any PDF document to Excel. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to Excel Dose. Thank you so much for watching.